What's up, Survivor Squad? It's your girl, Totally Ty, and I am back with another DIY. Today, I'm going to be taking this turtleneck sweater and turning it into a two-piece outfit. So, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to join the Survivor Squad, you guys. Let's get into this video. For starters, I'm going to be using some old Spanx of mine as my template for my shorts. However, I did kind of cut it wrong and mess it up to the point that it wouldn't even be big enough for me to have shorts out of them, so I did end up turning it into a mini skirt instead. Now I'm just showing you guys where I'm going to end up sewing the sides at. Now I'm going to cut both sleeves off. I did cut it exactly how it was on the sweater, and it had like a little sharp edge and an angle to it. So off camera I went back and made the sleeves more straight and squared out, so that when I sew it to the bando part of the top, it actually comes out looking a little bit better. Now I'm going to flip the top around so I can use the turtleneck part to cut out the bando top. Here I'm just showing you guys how the sleeves are going to look. So you're going to attach the elastic. You guys already know how to attach the elastic and everything from my previous videos. If not, go ahead and click the eye at the top, or make sure that you're subscribed so you can get notified every time that I post a video. Lastly, I'm going to be attaching the sleeves to the bando top like so. And basically that's it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Survivor Squad. Thank you all for watching.